We were talking before the show started about the new Power of Attorney Act.
Yes.
Would you mind telling our folks first what a power of attorney is and why we need one, and then about the new act?
Yes, power of attorney is when you name an agent who can act on your behalf. I am thrilled with our legislature. We were so overdue for some changes with our power of attorney. The new act went into effect January 1 of this year. I have to say the legislature did some good things. They did some things that after my 14 years of practice I didn't completely agree with, but they left attorneys the room to deal with individual clients, to tweak the power of attorney to fit their situation. The new act did call for some things that were very important. Power of attorneys now by default are durable. That means they last past the principal's incapacity, which is what we needed, because oftentimes when we need the power of attorney is when someone is not able to act for themselves. You were talking earlier about the nursing home issues. Power of attorney is perfect to have for that because your agent can ask those tough questions and deal with those issues. And we hope that the agent doesn't have to put themselves into litigation, but the power of attorney, it lets you do that. They can file that lawsuit on your behalf. So there are great things with this new power of attorney. I feel that there's no, people think, well, I don't need that until I'm older. You never know what's going to happen. You could be injured in tornadoes. You could have a car accident and be in the hospital. So it's important to plan that ahead of time. And it is very important that the person that you list is someone that you completely trust, because you are giving them the authority to do things you would not necessarily be able to do for yourself. It does not have to be a family member. Oftentimes it is. Again, this is something that is not cost prohibitive. And it is very important that you do this, that you talk with an attorney and look into this new power of attorney.
That's great advice.
Okay.
Thank you for going over that.